Welcome to the Exponential English Podcast. This is a place to slow down, to breathe, and to learn English naturally. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to practice simple English for using an ATM. This lesson is for beginners. We will go step by step. You will learn useful phrases that you can use when you travel, when you go to the bank, or when you need cash. Please listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Speak slowly. Do not worry about being perfect. Just practice with me. Let's begin. Imagine you are outside. You need some money. Now you are standing in front of an ATM. Phrase number 1. I am at the ATM. I am at the ATM. This is a very simple sentence. You can say it when you arrive at the machine. Repeat after me. I am at the ATM. Good. Phrase number 2. I insert my card. I insert my card. This means you put your bank card into the machine. Repeat after me. I insert my card. Very good. Phrase number 3. I choose the language. I choose the language. Many ATMs let you choose English or another language. Repeat after me. I choose the language. Nice job. Phrase number 4. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. Your PIN is your secret number. Repeat after me. I enter my PIN. Good. Phrase number 5. I check my balance. I check my balance. Your balance is the amount of money in your account. Repeat after me. I check my balance. Very good. Phrase number 6. I select withdrawal. I select withdrawal. Withdrawal means taking money out of your account. Repeat after me. I select withdrawal. Good work. Phrase number 7. I choose the amount. I choose the amount. Maybe you want $20. Maybe you want $100. Repeat after me. I choose the amount. Great. Phrase number 8. I wait for the machine. I wait for the machine. Sometimes the ATM needs a few seconds. Repeat after me. I wait for the machine. Very nice. Phrase number 9. I take my card. I take my card. This is very important. Sometimes people forget their card. Always take your card. Repeat after me. I take my card. Good. Phrase number 10. I take the money. I take the money. The cash comes out of the machine and then you take it. Repeat after me. I take the money. Excellent. Phrase number 11. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. A receipt is the small paper from the machine. Repeat after me. I take the receipt. Good job. Phrase number 12. I count the cash. I count the cash. You should count your money carefully. Repeat after me. I count the cash. Very good. Phrase number 13. I put my card away. I put my card away. This means you put your card back in your wallet or your bag. Repeat after me. I put my card away. Nice. Phrase number 14. I put the money in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. This is a safe habit. Repeat after me. I put the money in my wallet. Great. Phrase number 15. I leave the ATM safely. I leave the ATM safely. After everything is finished, you leave carefully and stay aware of your surroundings. Repeat after me. I leave the ATM safely. Excellent. Now let's practice all 15 phrases again, one by one. Listen first, then repeat. I am at the ATM. I insert my card. I choose the language. I enter my PIN. I check my balance. I select withdrawal. I choose the amount. I wait for the machine. I take my card. I take the money. I take the receipt. I count the cash. I put my card away. I put the money in my wallet. I leave the ATM safely. Very good. Now let's slow down and understand the full process together. First, you walk to the ATM. You stop in front of it. You can say, I am at the ATM. Next, you put in your card. You say, I insert my card. Then the screen gives you some choices. Maybe it asks for a language. You press English. You say, I choose the language. After that, the machine asks for your PIN. You type your secret number. You say, I enter my PIN. Then you may want to see how much money you have. You press the balance option. You say, I check my balance. Now you want cash. So you choose withdrawal. You say, I select withdrawal. Then the machine asks how much money you want. Maybe it gives you easy choices like 20, 50, or 100. Maybe you type a number yourself. You say, I choose the amount. After that, you wait. The machine is working. It is reading your card. It is processing your request. You say, I wait for the machine. Then something very important happens. Sometimes the ATM gives your card back first. So you must pay attention. You say, I take my card. After that, the money comes out. You say, I take the money. Then the machine may print a receipt. You say, I take the receipt. Now you have your cash in your hand. What should you do next? You should count it. You say, I count the cash. Then you should put your card away. You say, I put my card away. Then put your money in your wallet. You say, I put the money in my wallet. Finally, when everything is done, you leave. You say, I leave the ATM safely. Very nice. Now let's practice with short questions and answers. Listen and repeat. Where are you? I am at the ATM. What do you do first? I insert my card. What do you choose? I choose the language. What do you enter? I enter my PIN. What do you check? I check my balance. What do you select? I select withdrawal. What do you choose next? I choose the amount. What do you do now? I wait for the machine. What do you take first? I take my card. What do you take next? I take the money. Do you take the paper? Yes, I take the receipt. What do you do with the cash? I count the cash. What do you do with the card? I put my card away. What do you do with the money? I put the money in my wallet. What do you do at the end? I leave the ATM safely. Excellent work. Now let's do a full speaking practice together. Imagine this is happening right now. I will guide you through the whole situation. Ready? Let's begin. I walk to the ATM. I am at the ATM. I insert my card. I choose the language. I enter my PIN. I check my balance. I select withdrawal. I choose the amount. I wait for the machine. I take my card. I take the money. I take the receipt. I count the cash. I put my card away. I put the money in my wallet. I leave the ATM safely. Very nice. Let's do it one more time. This time, speak a little more confidently. I am at the ATM. I insert my card. I choose the language. I enter my PIN. I check my balance. I select withdrawal. I choose the amount. I wait for the machine. I take my card. I take the money. I take the receipt. I count the cash. I put my card away. I put the money in my wallet. I leave the ATM safely. Great job. Now let's do one final review. These phrases are useful because they follow a real action. First, you arrive. Then you use the machine. Then you take your things. Then you leave safely. This is practical English. This is everyday English. And this is the kind of English that can really help you when you travel. Remember these important phrases. I insert my card. I enter my PIN. I check my balance. I select withdrawal. I choose the amount. I take my card. I take the money. I take the receipt. I count the cash. I leave the ATM safely. Try to practice these phrases again later. You can say them in your room. You can say them while walking. You can say them in front of a mirror. The more you repeat, the easier they will feel. You are doing a good job. Before you go, remember this. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Learning English is the same. Some days are easy, some days are slow, some days feel frustrating. That is normal. What matters is that you show up. You listen, you repeat, you try again. If you stay consistent, your English will grow. Slowly, naturally. This is exponential English. Small steps, every day. Big change over time. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take a breath. And when you are ready, keep learning.